last class we were discussing about arithmetic progression. One of the concept of some of the first nth term of arithmetic progression. So some different types of problem we have to discuss in last class also. So today is also we are discussing right to be used to give 7 cash prize to student of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize rupees 20 less than preceding prize, find the value of the prizes. So you have to understand this question, my dear student. If the sum of the rupees 700 is given and the overall academic year 7th prize of they have to how much students they have to get in academic year overall prizes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth up to 7th. Our overall academic year how much they have to get in some prize have to calculate. Is it right? So and one more concept is given. The each prize is preceding less than rupees 20 and one more is given. They have to find out 7th prize have to find out. Is it right? So what is given in this question? Sum of the first nth term is given 700 rupees 700 is given and next is the student perform the academic year overall academic year 7th prize how much we have to calculate and one more is given the each prize the preceding is less than rupees 20 means the common difference is given. Next we have to find out 7th term we have to find out. Is it right? So what is given? Solution. I am taking 16 solution. So let first prize rupees A. First prize rupees A. So next is how will form of the arithmetic progression. Already we explained in the previous class. General form of arithmetic progression. The form is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D up to so on. So this is the successive. How will form of general form of arithmetic progression? What do you ask in this question? The preceding price. Preceding means previous term. So A is successive general term of arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to first term, second term, third term, up to nth term. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. Next, what do you ask? Previous term means A minus D. Is it right? A minus D. Next is A minus 2D. Is it right? So look at this. This is the 0. This is the 0. You have to remember real number or number like this 0. Next term is means previous successive term is 1. So 0 we can add with 1. Our natural number add with 1. Natural number. But 0 is not a natural number. So first term is 1. So next term is 2. So next term is 3. Is it right? So next previous term is minus 1. Next is like that. This is the A. Next term is successive number A plus B. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression in which what is definition of arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression a number in which each term adding fixed term to preceding term except first term is called as arithmetic progression. Is it right? So adding fixed number A plus D, it is a successive term and next is to preceding term except first term. A is the first term and preceding term. Preceding previous term. A minus D. A minus 2D. Is it right? This is the preceding term. So like that here also the first prize is rupees A. So less than preceding term. So less than common difference is given. How much is given? 20. Is it right? So here the form of arithmetic progression. Form of arithmetic progression is what? A a minus d comma a minus 2d up to so on, up to where? Up to what you ask in question? 7 price. The first prize, second prize, third prize, up to 7 prize. Is it right? Up to 7 prize. Is it right? In this question, arithmetic progression, what is given? Here, a is a. Is it right? So what is a is a? Is it right? So next is n is d is given. D is what? Minus 20. Is it right? Minus 20. So right now first a minus 20. Is it right? D is common difference how much? 20. Is it right? A minus 40. Is it right? So a minus 16 up to so on. So common difference is a minus 20. A minus 20 minus a. Is it right? So a get cancel. What will you get? D is minus 20. Is it right? Is it right? So next is number of term means 7th term. Is it right? So Sm is given. How much is given? Rupees 700. So already we know about. So some of the nth term of arithmetic progression we have to find out formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a
plus n minus
1 into t. Is it right? So Sn means already given. Sum of the first means sum of the 7th term. 7 by 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. Minus 20. So sum of the first 7th term is 700. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6 into minus 20. Is it right? So simplify, what will you get? So 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus into minus plus into minus 620 is 120. Is it right? 120 minus 120. Is it right? So take common 2. Take common 700 is equal to 7 by 2. Take 2 common outside in this 2 term. A minus plus into minus 16 2s are 120. 2 into a 2a plus into minus 2 into 60. 2 into 16s are 120. Is it right? 2 get cancelled. Is it right? So simplify. 700 is equal to 7 into a 7a minus into plus minus 7 6 are 42. 7 zeros are 0. 7 6 are 42. So 7 16s are 420. 420. Shift from in LHS side. So simplify. Shift from in LHS side. 700 plus 420 is equal to 70. So what will you get? 700 plus 420, 1120 is equal to 70. Is it right? A is equal to 1120 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. Is it right? What will you get remainder? 4. 7 6 are 7 6 are 0. What will you get? Only remainder 0. So 7 ones are 7 zeros are. So A is 160. The first term of the first price is rupees 160. 1,160. You understand? 7 ones are 716 are 716 are is 1,120. Is it right? So next is first prize. Next what you find out? 7th prize of overall academic year is how much? We have to find out. Is it right? Only we have to find out A. First prize is find out. First prize is A is equal to A. A is how much? 160. Next is second prize means second term. A minus D. So A minus D means A minus 20. Yeah, second prize is A minus 20. Is how much? A is 160 minus 20. What will you get? 140. Next is 160 minus 40. 120. Next is 160 minus 100. So next is 80. How much? 80. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So 160
Minus 100.
minus 100.
60.
60. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
That's a 1,
107.
2, 3, 4.
Last
So last
one.
is 160 minus 120 is 40. So seventh prize of overall academic year is how much?
40.
40. Like that. First, second, third. You have to understand? I understand. So remaining some problem is there. You have to do 17th exercise 1.3. You have to take home assignment. You only do in home. If any doubt arises, you can ask any questions. Thank you, my dear.